Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite some time since we've done this, since I filmed a video, since we've talked, since anything, and I'm so sorry. Senior year has turned out to be a lot more hectic than I expected it to be. I just haven't been filming videos and I really apologize. I feel like there's so much that I wanted to film and I haven't, and I have to catch you guys up on. There's just so much going on. So we are trying something new, and that is going to be uploading some vlogs. We're just gonna see how it goes. The reason I'm doing this is because I think it's a lot easier to do them because it's just not a video that I have to sit down and actually plan for, because that's when I get kind of like overwhelmed because the planning process is just like more work to have to put into it. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna hope that it works. That little rant had absolutely nothing to do with what today's video is, because as you can already tell, we're doing a room tour today because I just really love my room right now. And I'm in college and I change my room around a lot. And I just want to show you guys because I'm really happy with what it's like right now, and I just feel like this is a good, like, let's just kind of jump back into the swing of things kind of video. So I'm just going to share with you guys some of the things that I love about my room, where I've gotten some things, some tips on how to decorate your room in college on a budget, and also how to stay organized in college because that's really hard. So yeah, today's video is going to be a college room tour, so let's go ahead and get into that. So on the back of my door, I just hang my coats and my bags because it's super convenient and frees up a lot of space. And then next to my door, I just have this little key hanger that I got from Walmart, and I just kind of store a bunch of things like keys, my wallet, sunglasses, whatever I need. Underneath of that, I have my cat's cat tree, which she loves to lay on and use as a scratching post. And then my desk actually came with my room, so I just put the stuff on top of it, which includes my speaker and Amazon Echo. I just have a candle and a bunch of other little knickknacks that I think spice up your room and make it a little more homey. And then of course all my school supplies because, you know, the teacher life. And then having this big calendar on the wall really helps me stay organized and be able to see my month at a glance. In the 3 drawers underneath my desk, I store a lot more school supplies like notebooks and extra papers and books and just everything you could think of that you would need for school. With 5 girls living in our house, our fridge gets a little bit crazy sometimes and there's not a whole lot of room for food, so it's really nice to have a mini fridge in my room so I can put like certain snacks and just things that don't need to go in my big fridge in here. So now moving on to my favorite part of the room, my bed area. As a nightstand, I just used this really cheap cube organizer from Walmart and it works great. I just decorated it with a fake plant from Walmart, which I think adding greenery like this really transforms a room. And then I also have this really cute lamp that is from HomeGoods, and then just my candles, and I love using mason jars to hold things like my remotes because it's super inexpensive and a great way to stay organized. All of the baskets in my cubes are either from Walmart or Target, and I always just store clothes, electronics, or little miscellaneous stuff in each of them. My headboard that I have for my bed is from Wayfair, and it was super inexpensive, and I really think that it helps make a platformed bed look so much better and nicer and decorative. My bedding is from TJ Maxx. I don't know the actual brand of it because I cut the tag off, but it's super cute with the frills, and I think it's just really simple, and I love using just white bedding. College tip: if you have room under your bed, store everything that you possibly can underneath of there because it is so much wasted space, so why not shove whatever you can under there. I also think that adding Christmas lights makes everything better. It just makes everything so much homier and light and bright and just really cute and girly. Most college rooms are pretty small, so adding a big mirror like this one from HomeGoods really helps make your room look bigger. All of the decorations in my bathroom are actually from TJ Maxx, including the shower curtain, my towels, and the starburst on the walls. And then this is my really unorganized looking closet, but I promise that there is a method to my madness. I just really like using a whole bunch of different ways to store things, including different size bins. I use laundry baskets for a lot of things, and you'll see that I have a cart at the bottom of my closet as well that stores all my makeup. That is the end of my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave any comments down below, any questions you have, any tips you have for making my room even better, because I'm all about that all the time. And yes, look forward to some more informal videos coming your way. And I also have some really exciting like life changes that I'm kind of working on right now, so you can most likely expect videos about that also in the near future. So thank you guys so much for watching. For those of you that are still here, still subscribed, still coming back to watch my videos, I truly appreciate it because I really do love doing YouTube, and I love making videos and talking to you guys and, you know, answering questions and just communicating with you guys. So just thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are excited for the upcoming videos. I'm definitely going to be getting into more student teaching things because I know I had a lot of people that were really excited about it, and I was excited about it too, and I still am excited about it. I love student teaching. The experience has just been a lot different than what I expected, so I'm going to get into all of that in different videos, so look out for that if you're interested in those kind of videos. And yes, that is all that I have for you guys today, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!